Yesterday, the US Nasdaq was down, and also it was replicating to some of the AI stocks as well. But during that time, I found one thing, that is, this is this one sector which is staying very strong. As people are obsessed over AI chips and thinking about buying Nvidia, Micron, and other AI chip stocks, but the people are completely missing the one, this sector, the physical company which is making entire AI boom possible. Today I'm talking about this company which is making optical fiber. Now, what is this optical fiber? Before, the light, like we used to get electricity to the copper, the traditional way, but by using this optical fiber, the light, the electricity passes through this optical fiber, okay, and it passes very fast. The speed is very fast. It has massive bandwidth, and there is a less interference. And about this optical fiber, we like you have to study like in-depth analysis, understanding how this works. But when I was looking after this sector, this is this one company which I have brought currently. This company is staying very strong, okay. It's like this company is Corning Incorporation. Their stock is already up by 139% year on year, and it's alone had given a 52-week high of almost $216. And they don't make any chips, actually they make glass, which is that optical fiber. Because so, for example, think this way: to train massive AI models, technology giants, they have to link 10 thousands of GPUs together. If those chips don't talk to each other instantly, the system fails. And this company, which is Corning Incorporation, makes the ultra high density fiber optics that connects them, okay. So they just, and this company has locked in a massive manufacturing deal with Amazon AWS, right alongside major partnership with Nvidia as well as Meta. Their optical connection, like communications, net income literally exploded after this boom has come, because only AI chips or semiconductor doesn't work. You need other infrastructure, the water, the power, the energy, even this optical fiber to pass the electricity very fast. And the copper will make you very when huge amount of electricity will make you heat, but this optical fiber makes, it doesn't make you so much of heat while passing the electricity, because the speed is high. So due to this, they have literally exploded their income 93% last quarter. And this is the ultimate shovels in a gold rush like business model. They already built the factories, and so this new AI revenue is dropping straight to the bottom line, expanding their operating margins to over 20%. While the markets fights over semiconductor hype, the real wealth is built in this physical infrastructure. So in India, you can see, because of this optical fiber infrastructure boom, you could see some of the companies like HFCL, Sterlite, all these companies are also making momentum. So when this mother country like US, when they are doing something great in some of the sectors, we should also look in India, where that such replications or such opportunities we can find in India too. So keep analyzing, keep researching about such kind of like optical fiber thing in India too, and find out some companies. Here, this is not a recommendation, but this, what I'm saying, is what I am seeing through my eyes. Like, yes, the optical fiber companies are doing great in USA, and they are getting massive revenue, and they are getting orders. And also in India, the HFCL also cracked some orders due to this demand in optical fiber. So make sure, open your eyes, see everything, and keep investing and keep learning. Till then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.